Hey guys, my name is Sheel, also known as Artificial Coder, and today we are going to talk about how to code in Python using your iPad Pro. So there are basically two different ways I use Python on my iPad. The first one is Google Colab, and the second one is Azure Notebooks. I have already talked about Google Colab in my previous video, so I'm going to just put the link in my description below and you can go check out that video. In this video, we're just going to talk about Azure Notebooks. So without any further ado, let's check it out. So to access Azure Notebooks, you just have to open any browser. In my case, I'm going to use Google Chrome. You just have to go to search and type in Azure Notebooks. I already have this option over here, so I'm going to go ahead and click. Once you are here on this website, you will be asked to log in using your Hotmail or Outlook account. I already have one, so I have directly logged in. If you don't have an account, you can just create one for free and it'll give you a free Azure subscription. It's free as of now and I hope it stays free. So what I do from here is I go ahead and click my name over here and access my account. Once I'm here, I can see all my projects. As you can see, one of my projects is still running, the chatbot project. But if you are new, you will not see anything over here. You have to just go and click on my projects and you can create a new project over here by clicking on new project. So once you do that, it will ask for your project name. For this video, we're just going to name it as test 1. And you can see other options like public. If you make it public, it's like open to everyone. I'm going to just make it a private project. So I'm going to go ahead and click create. Once I do that, the project has been created, and here I can see the plus option. If you go and click it, you'll see that you can create notebooks, you can create folders, you can create a blank file and markdown files. For this video purpose, I'm going to go ahead and create a notebook, and I'm going to name it again as test 1 and let it be Python 2.7. So yep. And with this, you have created a notebook over here. Go ahead and click on it, and once you do that, it will open a Jupyter notebook. So it just takes some time to get connected, and it's connected now. So definitely it looks familiar to you guys, right? Because it's a Jupyter notebook. So what it is doing actually is it is running on an Azure server. So it's not actually on your iPad, but it's on Azure's cloud platform. So yeah, whatever you save over here, you can again start working on it from any other device if you log in on Azure Notebooks. So yeah, it's pretty much cool. Like I can just go ahead and show you a few basic codes so that it seems like it is working. I'm going to go ahead and do the print. Yep, it still works. And I'm also going to check whether importing Keras works. Yep, it's using TensorFlow backend. And also you can see that it already has all the major libraries installed for you, so that you can just come here and do the coding part. I don't know why it's taking so much time. Yep. Yeah, you can see like there are all the libraries which you will require to create any machine learning algorithm or whatever development work you want to do. So yeah, it definitely works. And yep, now you can code on Python using your iPad Pro. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like the video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, comment and share with your friends, and I will see you guys later. Thank you.